Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can redeem the Spotify gift card. So first of all, you need to log into the web version of the Spotify. Next, once you are signed in, type in spotify.com/redeem. Wait for the page to get loaded. And here simply enter your premium code, confirm the CAPTCHA, and tap on the continue button. And that will ultimately mean that you successfully redeemed your Spotify code. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.